In this fast ProPresenter tutorial, we're going to look at how we can keep our slides and presentations organized and orderly so it's easy to find things. Let's get started. So over here on the left, you have your library and your playlist. Now remember, your library is kind of like your saved file. So this is where everything lives all the time. And then your playlists are when you want to have an event, you'd set up a playlist. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new playlist and I'm going to call it Church 9 a.m. Sunday. That's when our church service is that we're going to be setting up. Now, everything else we're going to use should sit up here in a library. So I've set up a songs library. The sample library is what comes with ProPresenter with the sample content. So you just need to think about your structure. So I might go in and I might set a folder up for MC spots. If I have MC spots, I might set a folder up for messages if I want to do it that way. So you can set up a folder for each section of your service. I might set one up for special events. And in that one there, I might put in a presentation called Communion because we don't do communion every week. I might also put in a presentation called Baby Dedication. So if I go back into here, new presentation, I might do a baby dedication. I might do a baptism. And so it's just trying to have things set up ready to go. So once we've done all that and you've figured out how your service runs or your event runs, you can quickly and easily edit things. So if I had, say, my service, so I've got my church at 9 a.m., I'm going to go to my sample. I'm going to pull my announcements into 9 a.m. I'm going to pull my countdown into 9 a.m. I'm then going to go to my songs. I'm going to pull this one into 9 a.m. I'm then going to go to my MC spot. If I had an MC spot, I'd pull that into 9 a.m. And all of this lives here. So once you've got it set up once, it's really easy to look after. You can also add in headings. So you might call it pre-service or post-service or just different sections in there. It just depends how your presentation is set up and how you'd like it to work. So just try and keep things orderly in there and it will work really well for you. But that is a quick look at how you can keep ProPresenter orderly and tidy. Thanks for watching this fast ProPresenter 7 tutorial. Don't forget that if you found this confusing or you'd like more information, our longer tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel.